Hey, what is going on, people? It is your boy RST here back again with another sneaker review for you guys today. And today we are going to be looking at a sneaker that I have been super excited for because I really think it is the future of shoemaking, hence its name. This is the Adidas Alphaedge 4D Futurecraft. Oh my god, that sounds like a failed Sprint phone. What is it? Let's break it down. So the Futurecraft initiative by Adidas is essentially Adidas's attempt, or I wouldn't say attempt, program to futurize how shoes are made. And their eventual goal is so that you can walk into an Adidas store, put your feet on a cozy mat, and have a shoe printed to your exact specifications, just like that, ASAP Rocky. It is a really, really cool concept. But what I have here is a limited edition release first look at what that concept could be. And this whole shoe is 3D printed from the upper to the sole to the outs, not the outsole, but that's just glued on. But the whole shoe generally is just 3D printed. It's made from a machine. So how does it compare to everything else Adidas has made? Let's find out. And one of the biggest questions on everyone's minds is, how do these compare to Boost? And to that I say, Boost may be more cushy in terms of just like softness and plushness, but these are way more responsive. Take for example, when you're on a carpet. When you're on a carpet with these shoes on, you'll feel all the softness from that carpet. It's almost like the lattice structure is taking all like the cushiness from that soft surface and bringing it back to your foot. But when you're on a hard surface, you can feel it work. Like you can feel this structure just work and move to start supporting your foot more, especially in the heel. I don't know why this is a thing with Adidas shoes, but they really target the heel. This just locks your heel right in, and it really works to go and support you. Does it feel less comfortable? No, I would say it even feels a little more comfortable, but you'll definitely love this because it's super adaptive to whatever surface you're walking on. It's really just an interesting experience, and probably better explained if you try these on for yourself. Now, another thing that I think people will love about this shoe is the fact that the upper is just amazing. It's super breathable, so you are not gonna have sweaty feet in these. And this sock thing is the best thing ever. A lot of people hate the fact that a lot of Adidas shoes have these sock collars on them, which, yo, why are you hating on them? Cozy gang for life. I absolutely love this collar just for the fact that it keeps you locked into the shoe. You basically like pull it on your foot when you slip in and you are locked in, which I absolutely love because I accidentally ordered a half size too big and this keeps me locked in through a nice smooth ride. Alright RST, we hear you loud and clear. You really like these shoes, but tell me, are these a pain to clean? And me being a cleaning fiend can safely say, no, these are probably the easiest shoes to clean. Ari Kagan did a great video on this, and he basically explained how, this whole lattice structure, it's not like there's cement filling the damn thing. Water can go through this whole thing, and you can even remove the insole and get further in there. But if you get mud, if you get anything weird inside these holes, you can easily wash it out and probably never even, stain the upper. I guess, like, I don't know, if you really get these dirty, I don't know how, just get your Jason Mark or your sponsored Crop Protect and you're good to go. But yeah, this lattice structure makes it really easy to clean out any weird stuff out of the holes. And even if you step in gum, the whole outsole's covered, unlike the Ultra Boost, which needs holes because the Boost needs to expand to release its energy and give it back to you. This is completely covered, so if you step in gum or anything like that, you can just peel it right off, just like that. Alrighty peeps, I think this concludes my review for the Alphaedge 4D. The responsiveness is just something that you guys really need to try on foot. It is crazy how these things adapt. Boost, I think, mitigates a lot of what you feel on the ground just because of how cushy it is, but it's really nice to see how responsive this shoe is. It's just insane. You guys really need to try them on for yourselves. Should you buy them though right now? Hell no. These are $400 shoes on resale, $300 retail. Really wait a couple years before this technology sets in so that, it's consumer grade and you're actually paying a fair price for them. I paid a crazy price for them because I'm a shoe freak, and I really want to bring a review to you guys so you guys could, you know, be educated about this and know if this is a smart buying decision. But right now, take a nice look at them, look at my review, and if you have a friend who has them on, try them on, because I think in the future this whole Futurecraft initiative will really pay off and prove to be a nice, fruitful deal for Adidas. If you like and support my content, I really don't care what you do. You can show this video to a cat, a dog, your friend at Costco. It doesn't matter. This is RST out with another sneaker video for you guys.